Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to break column into multiple lines in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to break column into multiple line but stay within container. Now you see plus icon, so click on it, and then you see flex box, so again click on it. So you can select structure according to requirement. Now select this, and then you see two column edit, and both column has 50% width. Edit container, so click on it. You see 50%. Again click on edit container. Now you see 50%. Now we are going to duplicate it. Right click, duplicate. So now we have three column, but each column has 50% width. Click on it. Now you see. So we are going to break column into multiple lines but stay within container. Now click on edit container. On left side you see layout style advanced. In layout, scroll down, you see direction, row horizontal, and then you see wrap. So select wrap. Now you see 50% width. Again you see 50% width, and then you see 50% width. Now click on edit container. Now make it 30%. Again duplicate. Now you see 30%. Again click on it. Now make it 70. Now you see we have four column within container but column break into multiple lines. So first two column is 50% width, and then you see 30%, and then you see 70% width. Again click on duplicate. Now 70% width, make it 20. So now we are going to duplicate again. Now you see 20%. Now make it 80. Now you see 50%, 50%, 30%, 70%. So this column has 20% and this column has 80% width. Now go to edit container. So in layout we select wrap. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.